Hey, Gary here with 30 Minute Marketing. Let's start with the simple concept of buyers and prospects and using some simple marketing tools to build an affiliate marketing email list to keep track of who's a prospect and who's a buyer and how we can use this information to make more money as an affiliate. So here's the concept. There's people on the internet that we want to be our customers. So we create a bonus squeeze page for the product that we're selling on the internet. What happens is those customers, those people on the internet that are interested in that product that we send to our bonus squeeze page, we add to an email list. Then they move on and they buy the product. Once they buy the product, then we redirect them to a bonus delivery page. And on that bonus delivery page, we have them sign up again to an email list. And at that point, we classify them as a buyer. Of course, we could use one email list, but we could also do something simple to keep track of the people on the internet that are our prospects or our buyers. So, of course, once they arrive on the bonus delivery page, they become buyers. And once they've entered their email information on the bonus squeeze page, they are classified as a prospect. So the first simple marketing tool we're going to start with is a GetResponse. There's a link in the description. Of course, you can check that out and follow along. What we're going to do is go under contacts and we're simply going to create two lists. In this case, we're going to create a prospects list and a buyers list. Here you can see we have our buyers list and our prospect list that were just created. And the next simple marketing tool we're going to use is Groove.cm. Link in the description to get your free account. And inside of Groove, we're going to go under Groove Pages and Groove Funnels. And to do this, you're going to build a new site simply by clicking a new site. And then, of course, you can select from any of the templates that are available here inside of the single pages. And I've already created one here, and we're simply going to manage this site. You're building a bonus page, and you would put something on here to attract the person, the prospect, to enter their email to join your prospect email list. And as you can see here, I simply just click on this form, come down to the form container. Inside of the form container, I'm going to configure integration with GetResponse. I'm going to select the prospects list. And here I'm going to thank you redirect URL. In this case, this would most likely be the sales page that you're sending them to. In this case, I'm just going to use the 30minutemarketing.net blog and I'm going to hit update. I'm going to save that and then I'm simply going to publish that page. It says here site publish in progress. Changes usually go live within a few minutes. You can select here to publish the page versus the website, and to launch that page or to open that in a new tab, simply click this button. That will redirect you to the page, and you can see, of course, it says to get your bonuses, add your email list, to get the thing, that would be the thing that you're selling. Of course, all these would be compelling elements, headlines, subheadlines, and reasons for someone to enter their name and their email address as a prospect on this page to go over to the sales page to buy the thing that you're trying to sell. Here you can see I've already entered GLB and 30minutemarketing@gmail.com. Let's go. That is going to subscribe them to our prospect list. And then, of course, I've redirected them over to the 30minutemarketing.net blog. But this would be the sales page. Like we saw here on the diagram, when the customers or the people on the internet landed on your bonus squeeze page, they've entered their opt-in information to be added to the email list on GetResponse. This page, this form has put them on the email list for prospects. That way we can follow up with them because we know they've just currently been added to the prospect list and they've moved over to the sales page. Once they land or they delivered the bonus via the bonus delivery page, then we will have a form here to add them to the email list and move them over or add them to the email buyers list. And we're going to take a look at doing that right now simply by going back to groove.cm, and inside Groove Pages, we're simply going to go under that page and we are just going to duplicate this page. Once that page is duplicated, we have a copy that will refresh in the builder. Now what we want to do is we want to change this to configure the form or the form container down here in the breadcrumbs. We want to configure this integration to be our buyers. Here we'll select the buyers list, and here we will set the option to none because we don't want to redirect them at this point, or we could redirect them to the bonus page. In this case, we could say the URL for the bonus page is again the 30minutemarketing.net blog, and we'll go ahead and we'll update that. We will save and then we will publish. And here we can publish the entire website, which currently consists of the two pages we've created, or we can just publish this page. So we'll publish this page And as you can see, site publish in progress, changes usually go live within a few minutes. And then we'll select here to actually go to that page. And then this would be the page where they can get their bonuses. So this would say something like add your email to join the bonus list for updates or to secure your bonus, or thanks for your purchase. Now here, enter your information to get your bonus. And here to make sure that when we're testing this, we can see the difference. We'll just go ahead and add a bonus to this Gmail, and then we'll say let's go. And this is where they would actually secure their bonus by subscribing to our bonus buyers list over on GetResponse. Of course, that redirect is the same here in this case, in this demo, back over to the 30minutemarketing.net blog. But now what we've done is the people on the internet that are potential customers, currently our prospect, have signed up to our prospect list via our bonus squeeze page. And then once they make it through the sales page and are delivered to our bonus delivery page, or we deliver the bonus delivery page and they sign up to get their bonuses, then they are added to the email list and they go on our buyers list, whereas previously they were simply a prospect. In this case, you're going to follow up with the prospects to try to get them to buy, versus the buyers who don't need to purchase that product anymore. You'll follow up with them with additional offers. And here we have our buyers list and our prospects list with one contact each. Inside the prospects list, you can see the email and the name here and when they subscribed. Go back to the test buyers list, and here you can see that plus bonus email is on the test buyers list. So mission accomplished. Those people on the internet that we want to be our customers but start off as a prospect sign up on our bonus squeeze page before they actually buy anything. They're added to our email list, to the prospects list. Once they go to the sales page and make the purchase, then they arrive on the bonus delivery page via whichever mechanism we choose to deliver that bonus delivery page to them. They sign up to actually say yes, they are on the bonus delivery page and they are accepting our bonus. They arrive on the email list, and then they are put on the buyers list. And now they have moved from the prospects list to the buyers list, and we know that they are buyers, and we can follow up with additional offers. And using these two simple marketing tools to classify your people as buyers or prospects on your list is one of the best ways to make sure that you're utilizing your email list effectively and making more money as an affiliate marketer. By following up with congruent messages to your buyers and your prospects based upon what they are interested in or what they have purchased in the past. To see more helpful tips and tricks on simple marketing tools and how to use them effectively, go ahead and click on the video you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.